Well, for a lot of folks, it already is the weekend. You maybe have taken off Friday in order to go to ACL. For the rest of us, we're waiting for the weekend and also waiting for a big weekend change. I'm meteorologist Chikage Windler, and here is what to expect. First things first, a cold front is coming. It's still a long way from us, but it should be arriving during the daytime hours on Saturday. Ahead of it, hot, humid, and temperatures in the 90s. Behind it, cool. Notice it's actually snowing in portions of Montana and Wyoming. Won't be that cold in Austin, but we are going to have a pretty big change. Now, I want to start you off taking a look at future track. This takes you hour by hour starting Saturday morning, where we are in the warm, muggy, perhaps overcast air. First thing in the morning on Saturday, still no rain, but look by around 8 a.m. That's the very narrow stripe of showers from San Angelo up toward the DFW area associated with that cold front. It makes it toward the hill country from Mason, just on the outskirts of Llano, by midday, and then as we work our way into the afternoon hours, there are some showers off toward the east. Those probably going to be some residuals from the big tropical system off toward the east, Karen, and also we're going to see that possibility of a couple of very spotty showers from Marble Falls out toward Kerrville by around 5 p.m. Notice, at least this computer model keeps Austin totally dry. I will keep a chance, though, of some spotty showers moving through. And as we head through the evening hours and on into the overnight, there might, even behind the cold front, be a residual stray shower. Here is your ACL Festival forecast. For Friday, 95 degrees, hot and humid. For Saturday, 86, warm and muggy in the morning, a passing shower possible late day, windy behind that cold front. Now, Sunday may start out early morning before the festival opens with clouds and maybe a shower around. But then any residual rain is out of here. Sunshine develops, breezy and cooler. High temperature for day 3, just 79 degrees. So some of you may recall the big mud fest back in 2009. I do not expect a repeat of the mud fest. 2 to 5 p.m. Saturday, most likely chance of seeing some spotty showers around. How much rain? Less than 1/10 of an inch. By the way, just to remind you, if you don't remember, here is what Mudfest looked like back in 2009. This is some video from YouTube. Lots of rain, and instead of grass out at Zilker Park, just a bunch of mud. So much so that this guy decided he would turn it into an opportunity for a little bit of slip and slide. Now, we actually would appreciate some more rain to help things out after the drought report came back saying that things have really improved. Tropical Storm Karen looks like it wants to head our way, but not so fast. That same cold front that's moving in will deflect Tropical Storm Karen and push it off toward the north and then northeast. So at this point, looking like a landfall somewhere along the Gulf Coast between New Orleans and the Florida Panhandle late in the weekend. We'll continue keeping you up to date on that as well. Meanwhile, temperature-wise, once that cold front pushes through, look where we end up by Monday morning, a low temperature of just 51 degrees. That's here in town. There could be 40s in outlying areas. So suffice it to say, never a dull moment here in the KITV Weather Center. We've always got something going on, and I'm tracking quite a bit of something going on as we head through this upcoming weekend. Have another update for you tomorrow. Have a good one.